Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm your host Pratik Anjay, and today I'm going to show you how we can extract the audio from a video file. Also, I will show you how we can extract the text from a video file. So, before moving forward, I will suggest you to like and subscribe my channel. Also, show the support to me so that I can be bringing more and more useful content for you guys. And also I'm planning to do a short videos, like it will be to the point on a topic, and it will be very short because even I feel whenever I am working and I am looking for a solution online, I will go for a short video where in a very short span of time they are showing me the exact content what I am looking for my coding thing. So like that I will be bringing those sort of video where I will pick a topic that is very important in data science and machine learning, and which you can encounter in your day-to-day life, and where you can stuck whenever you are doing a real-time uh, projects, and that video will help you so that like you can go to directly that video, you will see the code, you can use it. So like that it will be helpful for any of the people uh, who is working and who have less time, who is experienced people and they are stuck in somewhere and they want a quick solution, so those videos are going to help them. So let's begin with today's video. So for today's video I will be using the MoviePy library. So it is a Python library for video editing. If I say it can help us to do the cutting, coordination, title insertion, video composition, video processing. So this library help us in all sort of what I say um, transformation on a video file. So today we are going to use it to extract the audio file from a video file. So let's start. I have already installed this library MoviePy. You can install it. You can use the command pip install pip recognition MoviePy, and your library will get installed in your local machine. And then you have to import speech recognition and MoviePy editor. And let me run this. So it is running, and here I am again calling this MoviePy.editor library as MP, and I am using this video file that is 12.mp4 from where I am extracting the audio files, and also I am extracting the text file. So let me show you this video, what this video is. So this is the video, this is my video only. This is my video only where I have taught you the NLP thing. You can check this video also on my YouTube channel. And some of the functionality of a natural language processing library called TextBlock. So let me give you some brief on natural language processing. So like what is natural language processing? So it we can say that it is a subfield of AI which is focused on enabling computers to understand and 2 or 3 line of text, and it will give you the whole story after that. So like that this. So this was the video from where I am extracting my audio file. So let me run this command. You guys can use it exact the same command for your purpose also. So I have run that command, and I am not using the whole video file. I am using a subclip of that. I am giving the range 0 to 50. It means it will be taking the 50 seconds from that video. So I am picking that clip, I am putting into this MP library. Again, I am converting that file into this MP3. So now my command has extracted the audio from the video file. If I and that is stored in this the audio.mp3 file. My audio is stored in this the audio.mp3 file. If I want to listen that thing, I have to just run this command import OS. You have to import OS and you have to run os.system, and you have to put the command start the audio.mp3. Let me run this. and if you see, your file has run. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm your host Pratik Anjay, and today we are going to discuss on natural language processing. Basically, I'm going to show you some of the functionality of a natural language. So if you have seen that the audio has extracted from the video file, you can look for any subclip. If I want to change it, I will just change it over here, and I will run it. Now it will pick the audio file of 2 minutes from the whole video file, and it extract that portion from that video. Even you can give a particular range also, for example, from 50 to 100 or 50 to 120, whatever the range you are looking for. So now it is ran through, and let me run this file. So this is my audio file, and if you see, this is for the 2 minutes. So I have extracted the 2 minute file from that video file, and if you want to see, just go it over there. The audio file.mp3 is also stored over in your this Jupyter file section. You can download it from here. You can use it for any of your purposes. So let me go back, and how we can extract the text from the video file. For that, what I am doing, I am using the similar command, the above I have done for extracting the audio from the video file, and then I am converting that audio into the text file. So in the previous command, I was extracting the audio in the form of MP3, but for here I am extracting into that .wav file. So what is .wav, how this process or how this text conversion is happening, you can also, I have also a video for that where I have showing how we can convert the audio file into the text file. That video is also my YouTube channel. You can check for that. I will put the link also for that video in this video also. You can please check and understand that concept as well. So let me extract the audio in a .wav format. Again, I have given the range from where to where I want. I have given 0 to 240. 240 in the sense it will be taking the 4 minutes of the video, and then I'm initializing, I'm creating an object over there. R is equal to SR dot recognizer. Then I'm putting into the audio SR dot audio file, and I am putting this converted dot wav. I've stored my new file into converted dot wav. So let me run that. That has run through, and now I am converting this audio file into the text file. So let me run this. Now if you see, the audio has been converted into the text. So whatever I was speaking in that video has been now converted into the text format. So now further I can use this text for the transcript purpose. I can use it for the subtitles. For example, there is a video and I want to put a subtitle below that, and I want to do a project on the Python thing. So we can use this commands and all to create those sort of subtitles and putting over there into your video files. Also, there are n numbers of applications now that we can perform on this text file. Now the whole wide area is open to perform the text analytics. We can use this text for my NLP purpose. I can use it for the feature extraction. I can use it for the word cloud formation. I can use it for my bigram, trigram, or I can use it for the grouping thing. I can use it for my machine learning stuff. If I want to predict something and there are some sort of videos available talking about certain things, and I want to extract the text from it, build a model, and I want to predict if the new videos are coming, where they belongs to. So there are n number of applications that you can think and work upon by using these sort of commands. So yeah, this was the whole process to extract the audio and the text file from the video file. And nowadays there are n numbers of applications available. So I hope you guys have liked this video and this was useful for you guys. And I just want you guys to support my channel, put your likes and comments on each of my videos. Subscribe my channel. I will be bringing more informative channel, because even I am learning and thinking what to put in a very better way that can help everyone, like a fresher and the experienced people. So yeah, please show the support to me. That was for the today. I will again meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, be safe, enjoy the life. Bye bye.